MCQ 1. The most abundant protein in the human body is collagen. Disulfide bonds in proteins form between two cysteine residues. The direction of a polypeptide chain is always written in N terminal to C terminal. Now, which amino acid forms a rigid band in protein chains? Proline. MCQ 5. The beta sheet can be both parallel and antiparallel. Which amino acid disrupts alpha helix formation? Proline. Domains in proteins are independent folding units. The process of protein folding is often assisted by chaperone proteins. Association of subunits in quaternary proteins is due to all of the above. Prions are infectious proteins due to abnormal folding. Which bond is strongest in stabilizing protein structure? Disulfide bond. Which of the following are fibrous proteins? Collagen and keratin. The oxygen binding protein in muscles is myoglobin. Silk fibroin is rich in beta sheets. Protein crystallography is used to study three-dimensional structure. Chaperonins like GROEL or GROES are found in both in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Enzymes are mainly what type of protein? Enzymes are globular proteins. Now, metalloproteins contain the correct one is metallines. Immunoglobulins are an example of defense proteins. The pH at which a protein has no charge is called isoelectric point. Which protein has a triple helical structure? Collagen. Which level of protein structure is directly determined by DNA sequence? Primary structure. MCQ 23. Denaturation of a protein disrupts secondary, tertiary and quaternary structures. The peptide bond in proteins is usually found in cross configuration. Which fibrous protein is present in hair and nails? Keratin. Elastin provides elasticity to tissues such as skin and blood vessels. Which protein stores oxygen in marine mammals for deep diving? Myoglobin.